All right, everybody, it is the 7th of April. Less than, what is that, 8 days until tax day is over. Everybody do their taxes. My God, this is going to be my worst tax year ever. I'm paying the most amount of money ever, and it's like killing me. Well, I guess they say, if my accountant always keeps reminding me, and I hate when he says this, but he's so right. And it's funny because the reason why I'm bringing it up is because everybody, I get this question all the time, but he says, Fausto, if you're paying taxes, that's a good thing. That means you made money. He says, the people who don't pay taxes, he goes, if you're not paying taxes, it means then you got a problem. That means you're not making money. So always look at that. And the reason why I'm bringing it up, because I always get everyone ask me, and they say, well, Fausto, so how do you pay taxes on this? And so we make money. I mean, what is it? I'm like, what's wrong with that? I mean, so you make money, so you got to pay taxes on it? Is that a problem? I mean, then don't make nothing and then live on welfare. I don't know what to tell you, but it's part of the job, and that's why I have to look at it. But we have that one glooming, ugly day that comes up next year. Coming up in a week, and then once that's out of the way, we can all go out there. Well, once again, it's, like I told you, we work hard for it. I know we pay for certain things. Maybe, I don't want to get into a political thing, but at the end of the day, let's just put our head down, make money, and you know what? Let's try to benefit from some of these catastrophes. What do you say? All right. So let's move on and let's talk about. I buy lots of years ago. I know. Listen, guys. It's just keep in mind, it's part of doing business. And, there's always ways that you could spend it. There's always ways you could do things. I'm not an accountant. I'm not going to advise you, but, just kind of reminding you, you got less than 8 days away till it comes up. All right. Another very important thing, Fausto for president. Mark, if I told you some of my ideas, believe it or not, one day when you come on site or we'll talk, I could tell you I could bring unemployment down to 3%. I could bring property taxes down by 50%, and still not have a problem, and I could take care of all the Medicare and issues that we have, and build it more of like a corporate America. But that's that's just the way that's the way I'm just thinking. Believe it, I talk to politicians all the time, and they're like, that really might work, but it's what it comes down to? Votes, right? Anyway. Let's talk about a couple of things that are going on. Something exciting about Cybertree University. First of all, did everybody, only gold and platinum members got this, but did you guys get the beta testing for the new online Traders Journal? Everybody got it? Okay. Now, for the ones that got it, I know a lot of you signed up yesterday. If you've got an error message, that's fine. We fixed it. We just want, it takes a lot of work and time to put these things into play. But I want you guys to understand, in 3 days, every one of you are going to get a questionnaire. Okay, we want your feedback. All right, use it. You only have 7 days to use it. That's it. 7 days. All right, and be active. Go in there, log in, and give us your feedback. On the Traders Journal. For some of you do not know what the Traders Journal is. The Traders Journal is an online journal. In class, we give it to you, in an Excel sheet, and we give it to you in a, paper, an Excel sheet so you can print it. But now we actually implemented it into the dashboard. It's an online, so it'll track everything that you're doing. It's got a lot of other bells and whistles that will help you enhance your education, make you learn faster, and most importantly, learn discipline. So if you did not get it, that means that you're not a gold student, at Cybertree University. So once again, only gold students got it. And for the gold students, just a reminder, in 3 days you're going to get a questionnaire. We want your feedback right away. In 7 days, it shuts off. You cannot use it anymore. So you only have 7 days to play with it. All right? So break it as much as you can. That's what I kind of say. Just break it. Try to break it. Try to do whatever you can. Let's see if we can, let's see if the thing really does work. I know it works. I mean, we've been testing it for about a year now. But we want your feedback. If there's any features that you like or anything, let us know. All right? Now, I'm a gold student. I didn't get it. Okay, if you did not get it, send me an email, all right, or check your email. Maybe we have a wrong email address or something else, but if you're a gold student, you should have got it, all right? In the meantime, or call your education advisor, and they'll make sure you got it. All right, let's talk about what happened yesterday, because yesterday was so damn exciting. Everybody here should have got in that one stock, the VLTC. I'm going to send an email about it to everybody, but look at that stock, VLTC. 80 cents stock, all right, look at that, 80 cents, and it ran to 470. You're talking literally almost a 700% winner in a week, all right? And then yesterday, again, we had a great winner in that stock. We're from 270 up to 470, up almost 100% on the day. I mean, I'm going to be sending everybody an email. I want your feedback on it. I want to know how well you did on it. You know, remember, my goal here is I love to see you guys make money on it. Every single one of you should have be able to get it. It was a level 1. It got to a level 2, but we've been trading this the last couple of days. Everybody should have got it. This is what we train for. You know, your trial members, you're probably sitting there, and it's funny because I talk to trial members all the time, and I say, when's the last time someone ever brought you a stock, you know, that was up almost 100%? And everyone's like, never. Well, like we say all the time, and some of the students here, we do this all day long, okay? Now, there are, before I go through the picks, there are a couple other ones I want to bring up. The QRE was a nice little pop early in the morning. That one also was a good mover. Doesn't look as pretty on the chart right now, but it was good in the morning. And the RESN, that's a stock that was from $19, went all the way down, got crushed. It was a great bounce. I told you I'm a big bottom fisher, did very well. Kicking myself in the butt left after I made 80 cents on RESN. Steve, come on, you serious? Are you serious? Come on. You're kicking yourself in the butt and you made 80 cents on 1,000 shares. That's $800. How fast? Let me ask you this, Steve. How fast did it take you to make it? 10 minutes? Where anyone here is going to make 80 cents or $1,000, okay? I'm just telling you, think about it, everyone. Where could you make 80 cents in less than 10 minutes? In what business will pay you that much money? Anybody know? I'm just curious. Where could you make $800 in 10 minutes other than selling drugs? I know corporate lawyers that go to Harvard don't even make that. Corruption, maybe, right, Greg? Well, there's no corruption here. This is what we train for. This is what we do all day long. So, you know, once again, Steve, you made money. You know what? I just love to hear that you walked away. That is one of the hardest things to do, okay? That's obviously what it's all about. The hardest thing to do is to walk away, and you did the smartest thing. And you know it. Listen, they're there every day, so don't worry. It's Monday, holiday, weekend, coming back, kids on vacation, whatever. Don't worry about it. There's another one today. All right. There are a couple of them today that I did find. Let's start going through the pick. All right. First of all, big stock, number one biggest winner of the day, BLDP. All right. BLDP, if this one's moving, then Plug's moving, and what's the other one? Plug, and there's 3 stocks. BLDP, let me write this down. BLDP. Plug's already there. All right, looks like the battery stocks are moving today. PLUG and FCEL. That's right. That's the other one. FCEL. All right, so put all these stocks on your watch list. Because if one's moving, they're all moving. It's almost like an ETF. FCEL. All right. So that one, those are the 3 we're going to put on our list. Another big winner, and these look like all level 2, level 1s, level 2 stocks right here. BIND. Look at that beautiful pre-market trading. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. That's exactly what I love. Some of you guys remember this because we traded in January when the stock went from $7 to $10. You know, it's testing supports. See if it breaks the resistance levels right around this price right here. It's got to break that 639 though. Okay, it looks like it hit it already in the pre-market and came right back down. So if it does break it, that's a nice little mover right there. Another great big mover, but it's a little expensive for all the level 5 traders out there. CLVS is your stock right there. That one also looks pretty nice. Here's a stock taking a big hit. We're not going to worry about this one. That one's dead. And we're pretty much done there. On the losers, any good bottom fishing? Tesla made the list. That's a first. I haven't seen Tesla in a while. New York Stock Exchange. Let's hop over there. All right. So you got a nice little big winner right here. This stock was a 650, dropped always down 50%. It's coming back kind of flat in the pre-market right now. Great volume, good movement. Looks like a market maker trap out there for some of you gold students. ONVO, nice little stock right there. Let's watch that one. This one is very, very pretty. I like this one. She's breaking the higher highs. She was a $25 stock. It looks like she's got some resistance levels at 10. Okay, this one is definitely one of the top on the list. Going to watch that one going into the open. That one's really, really, really nice. I don't know what the hell that is, but 9% up 25 cents. Been going up pretty nicely the last couple of days. Let me see what she looks like from yesterday. It doesn't really look that great. This stock looks like, okay, just by looking at it, how it's trading, this is something you got to trade like several thousand shares of it to make any money. It doesn't move a lot, but MY, we'll put that on the list. That one's not bad. That's a good level 1 stock for some of you level 1 traders out there and beginners. All right, we're done there on the gainers. On the losers, there's nothing there. Everything's all garbage. I looked early this morning. I didn't really see anything that popped up. All right, so it looks like we got a pretty good list out there. It looks like, by the way, this is a buyout right here. You can always tell from pre-market. All right, anything I'm missing that I did not call out? All right, okay, here we go. The VSLR. All right, the VSLR, I don't know. You tell me, Jeff, why I'm looking at this stock. It traded 200 shares in pre-market. You tell me why, and then I'll tell you why not. But don't take this the wrong way. The stock is garbage. Ryan, it says ONVO and BLDP. The ONVO, like I said, we already have that on the list. Ryan, I'm sorry, I probably missed that a little bit earlier. But, yeah, perfect stock. They're already on the list. Good job. OCUL from Jeff. The OCUL, it's starting to bounce. All right. It made my list right here. It's good for a dead cat bounce, but the problem with this stock is she's a level 3 stock. All right. If you're not my $1,000 plus day traders, that's what you make, then then this stock is a very nice stock for you. But I don't know. She could be level 4. I always like to kind of mix it up. I don't like to give a definitive answer what level it is until it opens up. I just know from experience, from seeing it, that's where I'm at. The CYTX from Steve. Nice, slow, level 1 stock. We've traded the stock up 40 cents. We did really well. Looks like she's trying to break that high. She's okay. I mean, I'll put it on the list. This is a level 1 stock. I don't know if we have that many level 1 stocks out there for all the level 1 traders, but this one would be up your alley. ITG, I haven't heard that in a long time. I mean, IGT, International Gaming. What are they making, new slot machines? Okay, that's a slot machine company. I haven't heard that stock in a long time. She's breaking all-time highs. I mean, but I don't know what's going on. That's saying what the data is right now. So I don't know. We'll see how she opens up. Keep an eye on it and let me know what you think, Steve, when it opens up. But as of right now, I see a lot of volume, but I don't see what's it doing. I don't know why it's not coming up over here. All right. In the meantime, guys, I think we got a pretty good list right here. I don't think we need any more than what we have. We could only listen. It's not an all-you-can-eat buffet. There's 10,000 stocks out there. We only need one to make money. All right. So let's go out there. Let's work together. Remember, if you are a gold student, you got the beta testing. Okay, for the new online Traders Journal. In 3 days, you're going to be getting a questionnaire. Please fill it out. Let us know what your feedback, and it shuts down in 7 days, all right? So don't be sitting there and blowing it off. You got 7 days to use it, so go out there and have fun with it. In the meantime, guys, let's work together like a team. Don't forget, today's Tuesday. We have closing bell today at 4 o'clock. You don't want to miss that. And then I know we have a couple other big events that are coming up this week. Friday, we have Jesse is going to be doing a class on candlestick charts. So for anyone that's a gold cyber group or a gold student, you are going to get access to that workshop for free. Remember, these are the benefits of all the classes that we do give you when you're a student at CyberTrade University. So if you want to find out more about that, make sure you check with your education advisor. All right, guys, listen, good luck today. Let's make some money. Let's have some fun. And don't get too crazy. Happy trading.